So first night in Bradford, William had a chicken korma at a lovely Indian restaurant. Indian restaurant, it's got a little aquarium there, and we're very hungry, aren't we, William?
Yeah.
We had a good drive up, no problems. It's not called an Indian restaurant, they're calling it international. So this is our comfortable little twin room in the Victoria Hotel. So we're down for breakfast. William likes a cooked breakfast. He doesn't like being photographed, I know. There we are, a bit of a wet day. We've got a taxi coming at 8 o'clock. This is the lobby of the hotel. Quite nice. Look outside. They've got their own car park round the back. That's a public car park. Not big. William's getting very excited about his course. Well, William and me, we found the entrance with difficulty with the taxi driver, but they obviously don't spend money on the outside of the building because the entrance is here. We can't stop laughing. We found another customer though, so they're not fake. There's one more person that's going to do. We've met him, so I think they opened this whole door up, and we go in to the workshop area. Anyhow, we're all right. They'll be opening in a few minutes' time, and we're okay. We're sure they're bona fide now. We'll give you a report later. So somebody's arrived, which is a step forward. Sorry, you're on camera.
Okay.
We've got to interest his brothers. Thank you.
You're a little bit early, but you're more than welcome to come in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Today. The Prime Minister says this week's budget will address the harsh lives of
Tea, coffee, help yourself.
but promises there are
Okay,
better days ahead.
just fill in the form
The
then.
speech later today, Sir Keir Starmer will call the
So we're going to wait for everybody to arrive, and then we'll do the induction at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Bradford Interchange reopened today. The bus station has been closed since January because of safety reasons.
Let's get back to that countdown right there this Monday morning. Well, it's 1979. As mentioned, Jeff Lynn has been a final game at Hyde Park this summer. 1979, Jeff Lynn EOS.
There are the other people on the doors. So far there's two others for plumbing. Oh, led a sheltered life, you know. I had no idea there was such a thing as a vape superstore. It's so popular. Very big. So I'm waiting for a taxi now to take me back to the hotel, and then I will try and find this place in the car, and from then on we'll use a car. So William's in his course. The boss man said it was okay for me to come and see what William's doing. He's got a blowtorch. Oh, goody dang, my goodness. So what are you actually doing then? Oh, you're doing that piece of, you're soldering, okay, I see. Good. Where's the thing that you're putting on the wall then? What are you doing? At the moment you're just soldering. Okay. You're not putting anything on the wall yet? No.
Just doing the basics.
Oh, you're just doing the basics. Well, show me how you solder then, what do you do?
You've got to clean it
Yeah,
with this.
yes,
Then put the flux.
yes. What's that?
Flux.
What is it?
Flux.
Flop. What does that do?
It makes the solder go all the way around the pipe.
Oh, okay.
So you put that round, you put the pipes in, and then you solder it, and then you put the heat on it, and then you put the solder on there, and it melts round.
Okay. Excellent. Very good. Thank you. Excellent. You've done that before, though. You know, you're familiar with that bit, aren't you? Did he give you any tips?
Nah, I knew what.
You're all right on that bit. Brilliant. Walking around Bradford and noted a lot of Islamic buildings, temples or madrasas or whatever they're called. Vape Nation. So you asked me what I'm doing, and I've parked the car a mile down this road, which is called Leeds Road. And I'm now trying to find all the restaurants so I know where to come this evening. So I found Mother Hubbard's here, which I think will come tonight. But the main restaurant I was looking for was called Swede. It seems to have disappeared now. Oh, there it is, next to it. So this is the best steakhouse apparently in Bradford, but I couldn't get anybody on the phone, and I don't think they open till 4. So that's where we're coming tonight or tomorrow, depending on if we can get a steak tonight. So dessert shops as well. I don't know if anybody will be in here. But this is it's got the best reputation for steak restaurants. Well, there's somebody in there. I think they're cleaning, that's all. So it might... it looked to me as though it was booked up for tonight, which is why I'm thinking of other places. Well, I'm just walking up and down now. Most of the restaurants seem to be in this one road, Leeds Road. Found somewhere to have a wet shave and a facial. So we then went looking for a steakhouse. Swede Steakhouse. I would estimate that half of the shops seem to be closed. There's a bar and deli which is closed. This seems to be closed. Well, I'm walking around Bradford. This seems to be one of the nicest areas, right in the centre. Square with nice fountain. I don't think they do a lot of reading here because I don't know if this is the main city library, but it's more like a bookshop. I'll ask them if it's the main library. Perhaps they don't read a lot of books. Anyhow, I'll go in and have a look, see what I can find. But this is a lovely day. Look, that's the town hall. And that's a nice fountain square. I'm about half a mile from my hotel now. Of William's plumbing pipe work there, which he's done. this is the town hall, just chiming the time. There's a very nice square in the centre with fountains. It's about the nicest place in Bradford I've found so far. Very, very pleasant. It's a lovely day now as well. Town hall's quite a beautiful building, really. A bit like Westminster Big Ben, look. Very sunny, blue sky, lovely. There's a hotel to have lunch. Is it? Lots of roadworks everywhere in the centre. It's very difficult moving the pedestrians. Test for leaks now on the plumbing that you've done. It's exciting. He's carrying some water to pour in.
We're going to pour it into the drain.
Yeah.
It's going to go and come into this bucket.
Okay, right. Did you join all these bits of weight, though? Yeah. Well, there's no leaks anywhere on the journey, are there? And it's all coming out in the bucket. That's good. You did all this?
Yeah.
That's good. And you did all the copper as well, did you?
The hot water, no, the cold water is above, and then the hot water.
Yeah.
Hot water.
Well, that's a success then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent, well done. Jolly good. I'm glad I could witness that. Thank you. Then we went for an evening meal at Mother Hubbard's restaurant.
So I'm going to
I had bits of fish, and he had a whole fish. That looks very tasty to me. So I'm going to have a mouthful, and if I like it, I'm going to have my own. This was a Chinese restaurant very close to our hotel, where we went for a meal one evening. So this is the inside of the Chinese restaurant. So aromatic duck was there, and the pancakes were very nice. I had some of that. I had some fish, prawns, mushrooms, beef, and some of that. Chicken with satay sauce, I had some of that. Chicken curry, I had some of that. Sweet and sour chicken, I had some of that. Egg fried rice and noodles I had. And I have a selection of desserts. Very pleasant. Very pleasant. Here's some more of Williams plumbing on the course. So William's having his favourite style of haircut. Well, it's in a restaurant which is underground, under an underpass. And it feels a bit like a cavern. Now in Birmingham, and Jack is arm wrestling. Very sweaty. They're all very much
You ready, Jan?
Next to table 3, can we have
This is Thomas arm wrestling now.
Hung in there for a few seconds though, because like, you know, and then the other guy.
Jack wrestling again.
Come on, Tom. Let go. Good.
next to table 3, can we have Bianca Lincoln and
On again.
Come on, Jack. Come on, man. Let's go, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Jack.
So William had a good plumbing course, and Jack and Thomas both got placed in various arm wrestling competitions.